In this video, I want to give you a brief overview of how these aluminum heat plates are used to maximize your underfloor heating with PEX tubing. And in my next video, I'm going to walk you through the installation process so you know what to get when you're purchasing these and how to install it. So these basically provide a rigid and flat surface that can be secured to the floor to facilitate heat from PEX tubing that goes in here so that it distributes the heat to the flooring. And if you think about how PEX used to be installed for radiant heating, it would just be stapled down to the floor. And that's a problem because this is only about a ½ inch of tubing. So if you think about a ½ inch only being concentrated on one part of the floor, it's not that much space. But this makes it so it has about 5 inches of space. And when you install it in conjunction with two plates, it makes a big area of heat. Now heat transfer plates are mostly used for beneath subfloor installations where PEX tubing is attached to the bottom of a subfloor, or for sandwich installation where PEX is installed between the subfloor and finished floor. By dissipating the heat from the PEX to the flooring, these plates allow for more even distribution of heat and effectively reduce or eliminate cold spots on the floor. So with this increased heat transfer efficiency, the system can run at a lower supply temperature, which actually lowers costs. So with increased heat transfer efficiency, the system can run at a lower supply temperature, which saves you on costs. So to put it simply, these save money because you need less heat to heat your floors. There's other heat transfer plates with an open back, which are easy to install because once the heat transfer plate is installed, you just pop the PEX into it. But I don't like these as much because, as you can see in the picture, the tube isn't fully covered, so some heat is lost. And these are also more expensive. So you have two options from Everhot. There's domestic and imported. And they're both available in 2-foot lengths and 4-foot lengths, and they both accommodate ½ inch PEX tubing, which is important to know. Domestic plates have an omega shape, you can see here, so the PEX snaps into it and is held better, whereas imported plates have this U shape. The other difference is width. Domestic plates are 5 inches wide, so it transfers heat more efficiently than the 4-inch wide imported plates. So if you're looking to save money, the imported plates are better for that, but the domestic ones transfer heat a little bit better. So that's some of the basic info you need to know about these if you're looking to purchase them. And if you want more info on how to install these and some tips on what tools you need for the best install for these, I'm going to come out with a video of that next. And if you like the video, subscribe and press like.